Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Phantom 5 2019 release. We'll have that coming right up. Got a couple of disclaimers before we get into the video. Number one, there has been no information on the FCC grant ID database regarding a DJI Phantom 5. Number two, DJI has not scheduled a release event for the DJI Phantom 5. With that, let's begin. My last video, I did show quite a bit of information regarding the detachable lens system in an actual little, probably 5-second clip, and I'll go ahead and put that up in a card so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Now, DJI did respond to Hey Kesteloo and tell them from Drone DJ that this was a one-off for a DJI Enterprise customer. I have information from my industry insiders that DJI will be releasing a Phantom 5 in first quarter of 2019. The information also tells me that there will be two models. There will be a Phantom 5 Advanced and a Phantom 5 Pro. The Phantom 5 Pro will be waterproof and also feature the detachable lens system. It's also information from my industry sources tell me that it will be pricey. I don't have a price on the Advanced, and when I do, I'll get that information out there to you. But what I'm hearing from my industry insiders are that the price of the Phantom 5 Pro will be $2,499, and I know that's quite a steep price. But remember, it is going to have a detachable lens system on it. Now, I would not be surprised to see this paired with another drone at a release event for DJI, so stay tuned for that. And as soon as I get some information on that, be sure to tune in. I'll get that out on BillTheDroneReviewer for you guys to check that out. Question of the day. Will you be purchasing a DJI Phantom 5? And if so, will it be the Advanced or the Pro? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.